Hey guys, what's up? Jaden here, and today I'm going to be showing you, basically, how to shop. So basically what you want to do, not that good, okay? So basically what you want to do, is you're going to want to, and this car is very fast, I don't think I should have picked this car. So basically what you're going to want to do, sorry. Basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first get a power generator. Now I already have one, see, it's powering. And then you're going to need at least 4 portable gas cans. Now I've done it twice, I had to switch it because, so there's like a bunch of them back here, this is my extra clothes, just in case. And then you're going to have to get glass. Now I'm going to do that in a minute. But you're going to want to place some gates right there to basically so the cars can go in. You can do this on a server or whatever. I'm doing this on a solo with no zombies. Today, soon we will be doing a thing with James and possibly Owen. I know probably James. We're gonna do it with him. So basically, if you don't know the code, or you just wanna, if you just wanna find it yourself, I mean that's fine. I'm just gonna get some bulletproof gas. So basically, the code is 1298. So you're gonna place it. I'm gonna place it like this. That way, I'll have another more room. So 1298. So I'll place it as far as I can. So now what you're gonna want to do is do the same. So 1298. So now I had a little bit over here. So now that's done. As you can see. Now what you're gonna want to do is get some items, and basically you're gonna want a blowtorch. So blowtorch. I'll be putting all the codes, or you guys will see. I don't really need to put the codes. Okay, so now it's 76, and then you'll get a blowtorch. So basically, when someone has something, so I'll put it up here. Find it. Okay, put it right there, so I can grab it. So if someone's car is almost broken, like here, I'll put mine for example. Let me get a blowtorch. Just gonna go grab mine. So you see it's a 42 health. I'll heal it. Here's pretty cool about the blowtorch. You always are gonna want to need one. Now, when I first started playing Unturned, I thought the blowtorch was just useless. I mean, you could hurt some people with it. So it was pretty fun. If you're on Russian, I don't know if it does, or Germany or whatever it is. I think it's Germany. But if it I don't think it does it with any of these, any other ones. So what you can do is you can make this, but we'll do that in a minute. So now what you're gonna want really is you're gonna want some tires. So let me search it up. So you're gonna want a tire. So it's 1451 if you need the code. Now there we go. Now we got some tires. Now 1451 again. To make it easier, you can just I don't know, have a full inventory. That'd be easier. 1451. We'll just do that for now, I guess. So now what you're gonna want to need is a jack, basically like a car jack. So you're gonna need that. And the code is 277. So you should get a car jack, and you'll put it up here if you want to. I mean, all these places you can really put it anywhere. I just put like putting it on my shelves to make it look nicer. Some other things you can do. I'm pretty sure this is an item. I'm just gonna add this for decoration. See if it will give me it. Yes, there we go. So I'm just gonna put it for decoration. So we got a little jack-o'-lantern. Now, if you want this, it's $10.49. So I'm just gonna do is, just place one, I guess. Get up here. So you got a little pumpkin man. Hey, little pumpkin man. Make it a little bit Halloweeny. Since Halloween's right around the corner, you gotta decorate a little bit. Now I would decorate everything, which I will. But it will be in different episodes. So if you guys like this episode, I mean, we're not completely finished, but I'm just saying, if you guys like this video, make sure to let me know, and maybe I'll do some more. And if you want me to decorate this whole entire town, I'll do it. And then if it helps you out, then I'll still do it. So now, basically what you need is, let's see, you can add, let's see, what are we missing, guys? Oh, we need a toolbox. I'm pretty sure that's the thing. We need a toolbox, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so if you want, okay, so we need a vehicle battery, obviously. I mean, everyone needs a vehicle battery, to be honest. 1450. I don't know how I didn't think of this earlier. So we got a vehicle battery just in case a vehicle dies. Or I'm pretty sure. So if you come over to your vehicle and the electricity, you see that electricity at the bottom that says 100%. If that is low, you can use a car battery to charge it or replace the battery. And you're gonna want to put it. I mean, you could put it really anywhere. I just like putting it in certain spots. So I like putting it right there. Boom, you got a vehicle battery. So now what we're gonna want is a socket wrench. So that code is 1507. Now, if you want to go on your own time and do some random codes, go ahead. I mean, I'm just doing this just so it's easier for you guys, and you can know the codes to type in for it. If you don't, well, that's if you don't want to, whatever. So now what you might want to need is a walkie-talkie, just in case you have someone. So basically what you do is, so I'm talking. So when you talk while holding a walkie-talkie out, it will talk for you basically, and it will only make sure the person on the other side or who has a walkie-talkie can hear you. So you can really put this anywhere. I'm just gonna go put this on my desk. So I'll take the walkie-talkie, put it right there. So if I need a walkie-talkie to talk to someone, that's what I'll use. And now we're gonna want a steely wheelie automobile, just in case the wheel or the thing is locked and the person doesn't know how to unlock it. So watch, let's go practice it on my vehicle. So if we run over here, see, my vehicle's locked. No, it's not locked, see? So I gotta get a new one now. So what you're gonna want to do is just place this wherever. I mean, you can honestly put it anywhere. I just like putting it in certain spots. I'm gonna put it right over here because. So take this. Sorry, my game's a little bit laggy. There you go. You got that. Now I'm pretty sure that's it for the tools. So basically all you need now is, to be honest, you can basically add a fridge, maybe if you're hungry, like watch, I can add a fridge. Here, let me find the code. Fridge. So you can put a fridge, like I don't know. If you need something to put stuff in, so I'll put a little fridge, like maybe right here. Yeah, that's good. There you go, you got a little fridge right there. There you go. Basically, I mean, you're pretty finished. This is how it looks. So you got your mechanic shop. Get the little door. I mean, you can always add a door here if you really want to. I just did this episode. So we got this done. Then we're gonna do that in a minute. So you put the cars up here, blah blah blah, fix them up, and then you let them out. They pay you. So you got a little decoration, a little pumpkin man. You got a power generator, a socket wrench. Just check how much I have. You got a walkie-talkie. You got tires. You got portable gas cans. You got a car battery. You got a car jack. You got a blowtorch. Then you got a steely wheelie automobile. That's basically it. Then you got a full fridge. I mean, I would recommend this. I mean, if you're really starting off with Unturned, this is a pretty good shop, and I would recommend it a lot to people who are really just starting. So you got this place. Now see, it's all a little broken up. I mean, it doesn't look like it's in its best shapes. So what we're gonna do, I mean, we don't need much. Probably place like a torch, maybe. Let me get the torch. Oh wait, I remember it. So you take a torch, place it here maybe. So you got a little bit of light in here just in case. You never know. I'm gonna put some lights outside your place. So I'm gonna put one like right here. Put one right here, by the way, too. Then get another one. Maybe put it right there. Try to put it in between these spots. So one right there. And then another one right here. There you go. Got those. When it's nighttime, it'll light up. Then you got this little place, and there you go, guys. If you want me to do another video of these, just let me know. And I will definitely do it. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button. And if you guys enjoy these Unturned remakes and stuff like that, make sure to let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to close this off. This is what it looks like closed off in Russia or Germany. So there you go, you got that. And then you got this. So if you guys really enjoyed this, maybe next time we'll do a gas station or maybe remake a house. I mean, mainly we'll probably be using like houses, or not houses, but shops. See, you got a fast food shop, you got pizza. I know you have pizza here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you got diner, you got gun shop, you got donuts, you got all this stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.